Hi, I'm Belinda and today I'm going to show you how to make an all-natural shampoo using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First log in and then select the all-natural shampoo. Because I want high foaming from this formula, I'm going to pick an anionic surfactant to give me a great clean and foam. I'm going to pick the Sulfapon 1216G. And because I want a lot of foam and a good clean, I'm going to use this at close to its maximum recommended input, 8%. Now I've got a message here telling me that I need to add some chelating agent. So I'm going to go back to the chelating agent and select the material there. And I'm going to keep that at the low recommended input. Now I'm going to pick my non-ionic surfactant. And I'm going to pick the Oromix material because I want a lot of foam and cleansing out of this shampoo. Because I've already got a lot of foam and cleansing power from my anionic surfactant, I'm going to keep it at its lowest recommended input. Now I'm going to pick my super fatting agent, and this helps bring mildness and a nice after wash off feel to the formula. Because I want a lot of mildness in my formula, I'm going to use the Tigasol 61. And because I want to add a lot of mildness, I'm going to use it at the maximum recommended input. Next, I'm going to pick a lipid. And to go with this story, I'm going to use some argan oil because everyone knows that's really good for the hair. But because I don't want to impact my foam too much, I'm only going to use a really small input of the argan oil. So I can say it's in there, but it's not going to impact my foam too much. Now I'm going to pick my essential oils. So that it's reasonably unisex, I'm going to pick some bergamot, some cedarwood Virginian, and some lemongrass. And then I'm just going to add these to make the product smell really nice when it's applied to the hair and washed off in the shower. Because I'm using essential oils, I'm going to need a small amount of antioxidant. Next, I'm going to pick my humectant. I'm going to use glycerin because that's going to help boost the foam and the bubbles from my product. And then I'm going to pick my gum. I'm going to pick Solar Gum AX for this formula because it's going to help bring a little bit of viscosity to the formula, but it's not going to be too stringy like xanthan gum can make a formula sometimes. And because I need to thicken this formula, I'm going to use it at its maximum recommended input, so that the product doesn't run out of my hand when I'm applying it. Finally, I'm going to pick a preservative. And for this formula, I'm going to use GeoGuard 221. It's liquid and it will go into my formula really easily. Because it's a nutrient-rich product, I'm going to use this at the midpoint of its recommended input. Now I can generate the method. Here is my formula and here is my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how easy it is to create an all-natural shampoo using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own formulas and samples this easily. Happy formulating!